Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to ferment cassava like our ancestors. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by peeling my cassava. So for easy fermenting, we are going to go ahead and cut this cassava into a smaller pieces. So as you can see how I'm cutting this cassava, you can go ahead and cut yours into a smaller chunks. That's totally up to you. But like I said, we are going to cut this like this for a faster and easy fermenting. After that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this very well, and I will show you the next process. Please keep on watching. So as you can see, we have finished washing this, and we are going to transfer our cassava into a clean big bowl, and I'm going to pour water, and you want to make sure that the water is above the cassava. So that is it. We are going to leave this for exactly good 7 days. So now you've seen the traditional way to ferment your cassava. I'm going to show you another way to ferment your cassava. Please keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and use the same process. We're going to rinse our cassava thoroughly, and after that we're going to transfer into a blender. So after that, I'm going to pour about 2 to 3 cups of water, and we're going to blend this thoroughly. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer into a clean bowl, and I'll show you the next process. Let me know how you ferment your cassava. Let me know if you do this process before eating your cassava. So that is it. We are going to transfer this into the bowl, and we'll cover with lots of water, and we are going to sieve this to make sure we remove unwanted dirt and all that. And that is it. Yeah, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. So the last process is to go ahead and make sure we sieve out all the dirt, everything that we don't want in our cassava. And that is it. We are going to go ahead and cover this. So the next thing I did was to transfer this in a bigger pot. So this is how our cassava looks after exactly 5 days. And that is it. That's how your cassava should look after 5 days. But remember, we are going to leave it for 7 days. So please expect the next video where I'll be showing you how to make this cassava. Thank you also so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.